Hey, it's Kate with WTI. One of my favorite things about my at-home fitness studio is my Manduka Yoga mat. I love it so much, and I want to keep it smelling fresh and looking and feeling nice and clean. So I have this yoga mat refresh spray by Manduka as well. I have it in the lemongrass scent, and I absolutely love this. It is so light and so refreshing. It is not an overpowering scent at all. I'm pretty sensitive when it comes to fragrances, and so I really appreciate that this is just light and gentle. The mist itself is very light as well. I can spray a cloth and then wipe down my mat, or I can spray the mat itself and then just wipe it clean. I find that it doesn't leave any residue on my mat. It doesn't leave it feeling sticky or slippery or anything like that. As long as I wipe it clean, wipe it dry, it is fresh. It smells good and it's ready to go. So I really appreciate that because nobody wants to be working out on a mat that is stinky or that is dirty or gross. It's Manduka, which means it's from naturally derived ingredients, which is really important to me. In fact, there's only 3 ingredients in this spray. So Manduka keeps things simple, and it is a refresh spray that you know is going to get your yoga mat nice and clean and also leave it smelling fresh. So if you have a yoga mat that you want to keep protected and you want to keep it smelling good, I highly recommend this yoga mat spray by Manduka, but that's just my point of view.